Abula mukyala mukulu nsesa. Akagongo gweke akagongo kakumeketa. Naye era okatuuzizza waggulu. Tula wansi okutese pichi ng'omukyala Omuganda. Wena abula bannange naawe ayagala gwalina ennaku. Ositamye wenna weebambye mu bintu mboyoza bintu. Omukyala Omuganda atuulako wansi n'akola emirimu gye ng'akakkanye. Si kumala gasitamira seppichi ate mwogenda okufumbirani omwami we ekyenkya. Mubeere n'empisa. Bannange emirembe gikyuse. Abaana abato ab'obuwala abatandala na ku bufumbo. Yefe ate tubuulirira abamaze mu ddi emyaka n'emyaka. Sijje zindi omwana wa Nassali. Ate nno n'omugamba nga tawulira. Nkugambye va waggulu katebe otule wansi. Bannange.
Ate mwe Abaganda abeera batudde.
Ate ze mbadde njera. Mbadde njera. Mwe mutulumye ensiri laba obuca olina kijama olaga oli mu kulongoosa. Naye laba onaavaawo ng'obireka. Lwaki ogenda n'opangisa mu Katanga mwakula ati mwali munoonyaayo ki? Mu Bakaga mwali munoonyaayo ki? Bannange Slyvia sigoliraba ng'oviiridde abanaku bano. Kubanga nkulaba oli wakutwetungako togenda kutulemerako. Togenda kutuvaako.
Hello.
Super guru.
Hi. How are you?
We're fine. How are you?
I'm okay, thank you.
Thank you for what? What have I done for you to thank me?
Maybe you can help me. Can you help me? I'm the wife of Tom. Tom.
The wife of what?
Tom.
The wife of what? Wait. Tom is your what?
I'm the wife to Tom. This Tom, you don't know him?
Wait. Tom.
Your neighbor
is your
there.
husband. Hey. But Kumbe you can also knock.
Why is she laughing?
Banange. You knocked. What a midday. What a midday. I didn't kajanga kese. Tom is my.
I knocked what?
You knocked like in life. You've knocked. You failed. You are failure. Failure.
But why are you talking to me like this?
You cannot start saying Tom is my husband. That's a total loss.
I don't marry somebody for money.
Tom is not human.
He's a what?
Ghost.
He's a ghost?
Ghost. Total loss.
Please, I don't like the way you're talking about him.
One man, no.
No what? Can you let your daughter marry Tom?
Yes, Tom is good.
Good way. Good way. Are you tell me good way?
He's hard working.
Hard working way.
He's soft. He's kind.
He's soft like
gentle.
Like banana. Eh? Like gentle way. Gentle way. In fetching water.
You see, the problem you think good man has to be with money.
Yeah.
Of course.
No.
Of course. A good man. Money defines a good man. If you don't have money.
But sister.
Me and
truly,
I'm not your sister. Because I cannot be a sister to a person who loves Tom. I'm not your sister.
That's why you are diva.
But you see,
What
I
have
don't
you
understand.
said? Mama nachitendo ogambye otya? Mama nachitendo ogambye otya?
That is the truth. You are diva.
But I don't understand.
My friend, I don't want.
You can have a man with money, but he doesn't love you.
Kale tujeke embozizo. You stop your conversations. What do you want?
He told me I should
Who?
be my husband.
Okay.
Please don't laugh. He told me I should be cooking for him.
Oh.
But now this cigarette, I don't know how to light it.
This what?
Cigarette?
Sigiri.
Hey, cigarette. Yeah.
So what do you want?
I want you to teach me.
Who? Who in particular? Who?
Any, both of you.
Miss Slyvia to teach you. In me. I cannot do that.
Thank you.
Ogeza.
Thank you.
Ogeza gwe tonaba nakujjawo bisaaniko byova kugirawo ebizizi byotuyiriddaawo you will help. Simanyi agatwala bufumbo bwa munno. Ali nakulaba dda gwe ng'olina interest mu Tom. She's interested in Tom.
But if she was interested in Tom, why would she be helping me to cook for Tom?
So you want to think that you're wiser than me? Yeah? Me, I've been with Tom.
You've been with Tom?
For
He was your husband?
Are you stupid? Stupid dog? Are you?
The way you're talking to me, it's
no,
weird.
Because do you know why you lost respect at the moment? Because you cannot tell me that Tom is your husband.
So what should I tell you?
You cannot marry a person like Tom. You've knocked. What? What do
Tom
they,
might be
what
good
do
in
they call it?
Me, I'm just confused how you can talk about these things in the open.
Tom might be good in jiggy.
The way you talk about
So you just look for money, you don't...
The way you're talking this thing in the open, it's strange to me. Leave those things.
She doesn't know that your man can be good in bed.
It's not about that.
Yes.
Love, the heart chooses.
Yes.
So you love Tom, like your heart chose Tom.
I don't know why. We met. He's soft. He's gentle.
She's very
Yeah,
stupid.
I know him. He's a good man.
In all men.
Just because
In
he
all
has
men.
no money.
No, maybe. I've not met all men.
Your color is a total loss.
Why does color come into it? Again, why does
It is
color...
a total loss. No. You cannot have such a color and you marry Tom.
What does color have to do with anything?
Yeah, don't ask me. Don't question me. Me, I'm a
You
counselor.
are also a loss to your aunt.
Mama, Nachende, what have you Ogambye echi? Mama, gwenkwe soboleda. Ogambye echi. Ogambye echi. But no, wait. This is between us, eh? This is between us. Do you have a passport?
Of course, that's how I...
Slowly. Goloba bichi enatadde mimwa natana insora zinatera genda kumanyo. Do you have a passport?
Yes.
So sometimes you can go there. Where do you stay? There, abroad. They
No,
are far
I'm
away. When
I when I fly.
Yeah, when you fly.
It's to England sometimes.
England. So you have a house there.
No, I don't. No, I've come to stay in Tom's house here. I've come to...
So wait, you have a family there? You have people you know there?
I have family, yeah.
Okay, you can take me and they adopt me. Don't you see?
But
They
you know the
adopt me.
culture there, it's not like here. People don't just welcome everyone into their home. It's like a private...
My daughter.
Tekana magao kanyonyola kino kakola kye okanyonyola
Not good. So you want to do what?
I want to light this.
Call it.
I want to cook some... What's his favorite food? What should I cook for him?
Tom.
Katogo
Yeah.
with matoke
Yes.
mix
What's Tom's favorite food?
with beans.
Yeah.
No problem.
So you're going to cook matoke and beans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just help me to find them in the shop. I don't know where to look for them. Yeah.
No,
I
zeno
have
muliro
my
naye
chako
gujja
here.
sala.
Okay.
Let me give you my chako.
Thank you so much.
You use that one. Tom is my friend. Tom
This
is
marriage
my
is not
friend.
going to last. You don't even have money to buy chako manda. You don't have money. They didn't leave you kameza. They didn't
What's
leave you kameza. Kameza,
What's
table
kameza?
money, table. The money they put on table.
Who puts it on the table?
Tom.
Where does he get the money from? And what's it for?
For buying charcoal, preparing food.
By the way, even I said to Tom, what is he going to do as I help him? How is he going to help me? But he just said I will find out.
Now, are you not ashamed of coming in the neighborhood asking for charcoal? Really?
But what can I do? If I don't ask, we will not eat.
You must
if I
have
don't eat,
insomnia here in the eyes here like this. You cannot, because you're new to us. Nayo ze wano tusabiriza amanda gaffe. And mama Nachitene nawe kati oli mukwesiruwaza.
You also beg me with your aunt. Your aunt every
Chogere
time-
mu Luganda.
every time-
Chogere mu Luganda. Lwaki oyagala okulala ensonga zaffe ku kyalo otyo?
Senga otasabiriza omunnyo buli lunaku.
And she was saying that we always give her salt. Me and my aunt, we give her salt.
sharing is caring.
Naye munange wano
Yes.
tekigenda kukola.
Mama,
Yes.
your name?
I'm Mama Nachitene.
Nachitende. Can you please help me to organize this stove?
Don't put
Kalinamu
those big ones.
n'olujanja. Kalinamu
You
olujanja
first beat
kano.
them.
I beat them.
Gwe. Si gwogene okubera makage ng'omufumbira. Gwe kwate ginger. Kwate ginger. Kwate ginger.
What's ginger?
Is there that thing in the hand. This one.
This one?
Yeah. You start. Putu. Yes. Dudu. Aha. Ate to dugaza one. Alo. So remove them. Even this one, we don't make a lot here in Africa. Hurry, like do.
More?
Yes. Put loads. As many as you want. Yes. Yeah. Kalinga kagendo kukukomera obukomeze mmere.
Again?
Ateka konga goyagala. Like this one is very small. You're not supposed to knock it.
Sorry.
You put another one. Hurry. I don't have time. So that is enough, or you want another one?
No, I don't know. You're the one to tell me.
So that is 150. No, you add.
I add?
Yeah, you add.
The smaller one? Let me break that one.
Otherwise, So you're done, eh?
I think so. Am I done? Am I done?
Like,
it's enough.
Your heart is guriwamu. Like,
no,
this is enough for you.
If it's enough, it's enough.
Okay. 200,000.
For what?
Gaji, 200,000.
For what? What's she talking
for
about?
For this one. Chako. Jamie mwajo mga njogera n'abazungu. Ewamwe teri bayo muzungu.
Choco can't be 200k.
It can't. Eh? It can't. I said Chako is 200,000. And once goods are sold, are not returnable. Once the Chako lands in your sigiri papa, we cannot remove it.
No.
You try it. I dare you. Try it. I show you.
No, this is what they call Muzungu price. This is not the real price. I swear. So it's not my first time in Uganda.
You think you're Mzungu? Have you seen my color?
It's not about color. It's about you judging my color.
No, I'm not judging. You think you're Mzungu. You see you're even more black than me. You do like this. If you don't have money to give me, you give me your phone.
No.
I'm not teething.
Okay, I can't pay you that money. Let me just leave it. It's fine. Let me just leave it.
You're going to leave what?
Let me leave this for you.
Yet I said you cannot return it. You want to see my true colors?
But you're lying.
I can even beat it.
She's not telling me the truth. This cannot be.
She didn't tell you the truth. This is my Chako.
But I thought Chako can be like a 5k.
5k from where? You give me the phone. You joke. Come, I'm going to help you. Come.
You need the phone?
Hey, you bring it.
Somebody's calling me.
It's okay. I will receive.
Is she serious? Can I have my phone, please?
Where? It is mine now. Because
it's here. I just thought you need to make a phone call.
Give me the 200. Give me. 200. Aga. You give me.
At least you had to tell me the price before you gave me
you came when... But
it's a trap. It's like you're trapping me.
Easy.
Please, sister, that's my phone. I can't get another one here. Please, sister.
Don't sister me. Jango gendo fumbire bao. Hello. Hello. No. So you've refused, eh? I'm going to police. I'm going to police.
Can she?
I'm going... No!
Take back your charcoal.
I don't want it.
No, I need mine. No. What is wrong with her?
Do you understand? I mean, to turn up Kubido only explorer mulamba. Missionary. She came to East Africa to help me in particular. Missionary, come.
I didn't
come, missionary. Do you know why Saidi he transferred his goods from what? From Muscat to Zanzibar. Who? Come, I tell you.
Who are you talking about?
So Butter Fred is going to help me. I'm going to become rich. Missionary, come. So you can cook.
You give me my phone. Sylvia, my phone. My phone, Benange, Sylvia.
Mbamu Twaya yanira da smartphone one.
essimu y'omukazi ogitwalidde eddala.
Nno naawe ntegeerayo ntono. Gw'omanya ebintu ba John Speak bye baatwala. Oba ebintu bye baatwala ggwe bye baatutwalako wano obuwanana bw'ensimbi. Ne baleka ate nga wano watuumye wano. John Speak tomumanyi. Kati kano just kentutta obutwazi. Obwo buzzukulu bwobwo.
Nno wandiba omutuufu. Batwala ebintu golodi waffe ebyobugaga by'abajjajja.
Kati muzzukulu we yaluguddemu.
Nange kangende ne kano yakeerabidde. Kyokka banna. Fiiri. Jangu olabe. Ndi ntya.
Mama n'ekitendo kino kyama kyaffe.
Singa awo tomulaga essimu.
Nawe tomulaga obwo.
Nzija mugaana buguze mu katale.
Tunulako eno ndabe.
Ku John Speak.
Smiling mundabe.
Ku John Speak bye yatwala. Nange neefuniddeho bino.
Ku muzzukulu we. Bintu bya nsikirano. Leka gwe.